Good morning, my dear student. Today our topic is data handling. Data handling is nothing but in your school having some data to be collected. Name of the student, father name, mother name, date of birth, gender. So these are the things will be collected in some data. The school having the some other data will be, that one is called data handling. Data handling means collect some other data in orderly for everyone, or otherwise one of the things will be given class 1 2 3 4 5, the number of students and the students present. So these are the one of the data will be collected. So number of students, number of students in the classes and number of presented student in the classes. So class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5. So some other classes will be recorded for the some data handling. So in this data handling you have some other topic is there. First topic is pictograph. Pictograph means you can use symbol to present numbers. This is called pictograph. Pictures are commonly used as a symbols in the pictograph. So most of the symbols only used in the pictograph. That symbols will be represent some other number. So for example, one flower will be drawing in the paper means the flower is considered as 10. So 10 students is considered as one flower. So like this, using the pictures to mention to represent the number of data. So it is easy to read and understand a pictograph. A pictograph has a title that tells you what the data is about. There are symbols that represent data. A description tells you what the symbols refer to. So these are the things used in the pictograph. One example is also in your book. The student of class 3A in a school have named their favorite food. Use the data to make a pictograph. So in a school class 3A, the teachers will ask the data of favorite food collection will be taken, and using the numbers will be represented in the pictograph. So favorite food is idli, sandwich, rice, curd, parantha. So the number of students is 6 students will like idli, 4 students will like sandwich, 10 students will like rice, 9 students will like curd, 6 students will like parantha. Okay, this data is can be shown by the following pictograph. This is called the pictograph. Pictograph will written as the topic. Favorite food of the students of class 3A is the title. Idli, sandwich, rice, curd, parantha. These are the items will be the students will like. So in downward, description will be given in the symbol. Each smiley stands for one student. Each smiley stands for only one student. So the students will be represented in the pictograph. The picture is smiley. So using the smiley picture to represent 6 students like idli. That means how many of the smiley will be used to make it that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 smiley face will be used to represent the number of students in idli. Okay, number of students like sandwich means 4. So how many smiley will use? 4 smiley. The next one is rice, 10 students. So 10 smiley picture will be represented in rice. Curd means it's a 9. So 9 smiley will be drawn. Parantha having 6. So 6 smiley will represent the parantha. So some question will be asked in the following. Answer this question with the help of the pictograph. What does the picture shows? The picture show favorite food of the students of class 3A. This is the title. Which food is the favorite of most of the students? So most of the students, the highest is rice. So answer is rice. Which food is the favorite of the least number of students? Very least means it is like a sandwich. So answer is sandwich. How many students are there in class 3A? So the total number of students is, you will add all the smileys. So 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 9, 29, 29 plus 6, 35. So the number of students is 35. Like this, you will do the exercise 10.1. Read the pictograph to answer the following question that follow. Favorite fruit of students of class 3A. So banana, apple, orange, cherry. Each smiley stands for 5 students. Each smiley stands for 5 students. So the favorite fruit of most student is. So most students is looking the smiley. So this one having 3 because one smiley is represent 5. So 3 smiley means 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15. So totally 15 students will like cherry. But banana only 5, apple only 10, orange only 5. So this one having 15. So which is the most students will like? Cherry is most students will like. Answer is cherry. The number of students whose favorite fruit is apple is. So apple having how many students will like? 10 because 5 plus 5 10. The total number of students in the class 3 are. So first one is 5. The next one is 10. So 5 plus 10 is what? 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 15 is 35. So total number of students in the class 3A is 35. Copy down in the book. So the next one, the following picture shows the number of students who participate in a swimming competition over a period of 5 years. Read and then answer the following question. So 5-year data will be given. So number of students who participated 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. Each swimming picture will be stands for 6 students. Each one is 6 students. How many students are participate in 2019? In 2019, how many students will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is not a 9 student, but each picture will represent 6 students. That means 9 into 6. So 9 picture is there. One picture having 6 students. So 9 6 are what? 9 6 are 54 students. In which year did the largest number of students participated? In which year the largest students will be participated? See the picture. So 2018 is the longest one. So 2018. In the same question, you have another one question. How many were there? So how many of them you will count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 picture is there. So 10 into 6, 60 students. So 2018 is the largest number of students participate. The number of students is 60 students. In which year did the smallest number of students participated? You see the picture. This one is smallest. 2017 is the smallest. First you write 2017. And how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5. So 5, 6 are 30. So only 30 students is there. How many students participate in 2016? You will see that 2016, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 6 are 42. So totally 42 students. How many more students participate in 2019 and then in 2015? So how many more students compared to the 2019 and 2015? In 2019, already you know this is the 54 student. In 2015, how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 6 are 36. So 54 minus 36, you get 18 students will more students participate in comparing the 2019 and 2015. This is today class children. Everyone copy down this everything in your book. So thank you children to watching the video.